Hello, this is English learning channel and today's topic is that the nature of the people. You are living in a society and sometimes you see different people with different natures. Each and every people or each and everybody has its own nature, and you know that nature cannot be changed. And if a person is naughty, you will see that person always naughty with some intervals. But if you look the whole life of that person, you will find that by nature the person who is naughty will remain always the naughty. But by nature the person who is morally good will remain morally good for the rest of the life. Sometimes some different things may happen, but they are for short period of time, such as that naughty person may become good person, but for short period to cheat the others. But when you come across with him for some dealings, for some matters, you will see, you will judge. If you are living far away from that person, you have no company with that person, you can't judge that person by seeing the outer self, by seeing her face expressions. But when matters will become with that person, when some kind of situations will happen, your matters will relate with that person, then you will see the nature of that person, and he will show his bad nature at that moment. And you will see that for so many years you are considering that person as a good person, and he is actually the bad nature kind of person. But as I told you that who is by nature good is always good. Sometimes you will see that person in anger, in mischievous way, but main thing is that morally good person is always good and morally corrupt person is always corrupt. You can judge by living in a society where you live for long time, such as you are living in a village and you are living in specific place for long time, then you will judge the nature of the people. But if you are living for sometimes here and first sometimes there and for sometimes at any other place, then you are not able to judge the nature of the people. For judging the nature of the people, you will have to spend lot of years with those people. Then finally you can judge the nature of those people. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.